Let us now talk about some of the maxims of teaching. A maxim means a rule or a guideline. So these are some of the important maxims of teaching that you should read, remember and understand. Because very frequently you will see questions based on this in the exam. The question may ask that teaching progress from concrete to abstract or abstract to concrete, from empirical to rational or rational to empirical, induction to deduction or the other way around. Right? All of these maxims are very simple, easy to understand, and they are based on common sense. For example, the first one says from easy to difficult. First, if I teach you some easy concepts like how gears work, then I can teach you something which is more difficult, like how a clock which has a lot of gears in it, how does it work? From concrete to abstract, first I'll teach you the concept of 1, 2, 3 which are probably concrete, and then I will teach you abstract concepts like X, Y, Z. From simple to complex, first I teach you a simple concept and then I will teach you a more complex concept. First I have to teach you the whole, that is, this entire mechanism is the mechanism of a clock, so whole, and then I will teach you about the parts of a clock, so whole to parts. Empirical is something that you can observe, you can measure, and you can understand through experience or experimentation. So empirical, and then you can use reasoning and logic to arrive at a rational conclusion about something. So first you learn about what you can see, experience, observe, measure, and only then you will learn about things where you have to use reasoning or logic to arrive at an answer. Analysis to synthesis, you can analyze what already exists, whereas synthesis means you are creating something new. From induction to deduction, when you are drinking water using a straw, then I can use induction to arrive at a conclusion that you can drink water through a straw. And then I can use deduction to say that if you can drink water through a straw and water is a liquid, then soup is also a liquid. Therefore, you can drink soup also through a straw. So induction is more of observation, whereas deduction is an answer or a conclusion based on some reasoning and thought. So I start with induction and then move towards deduction. From known to unknown, first I will teach you about moon, stars, which you can see, which you already know about. And then I will teach you about black holes and other concepts which are unknown. So you start from known and move towards unknown. So these are some of the important maxims of teaching. You can pause the video here. You can repeat this part or just try to memorize all of these different maxims.